Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any country I watching this video. It's me, Gabriel, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you or guiding you on how to start your coding journey or basic materials or tools needed to start your coding journey. You can see on the screen your basic stuff needed to start coding or your coding journey. First, you need to have a code editor, a computer system, and need to choose a programming language to learn. Need to get a mentor or a tutor. First of all, a code editor. You need to get a code editor like Notepad, Sublime, Notepad Plus, Blob, and so many other code editors that you can see on the internet. Like me, I'm using Sublime Text, which I love using. After that, you must need to have a computer system. It can be desktop, it can be tablet, it can be laptop, any other computer system. Three, you need to choose a programming language. You need to decide on which programming language you will learn, not jumping from one programming language to the other. Fourth of all, you need to get a mentor or someone who will guide you to on any programming language you want to learn. So happy coding, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to drop a comment, like, share. Thank you.